finger, bro. This finger's gonna be done. Look at that finger. Look, no fuzzy. Yo, what's up, y'all? Hey, listen, man. I'm at this new gun range that my homie, you know, Jose, Hose. What's up, Hose? Yeah, this is in Yeadon, I think it is, Yeadon, PA. It's called the Guns Protection Safety GPS. Let me show you. This thing right here, man, that's what the building look like. That's the entrance right there. So we're gonna see what it is, man. All right, let's go inside, bro. Let's check this place out, man. Vámonos. All right, y'all, let's go, man. We're gonna shoot the SAR 2000. See what it's hitting for. Headshots. It's not tight. That thing almost pistol whipped me. Headshots, y'all. Vámonos. All right, y'all, let's try the Canik Mete SFT. Aiming for the middle. I'm gonna get hit this time. Canik, that's it, SFT. SAR 9. Aim for the Yo, you learn how to shoot and box in here. You got guys, these targets when they come back, boy. The neck area. Yo, I know y'all seen that target come back, boy. If your boy ain't get out the way, I probably would have been laid out, man. Sheesh. All right, y'all, let's go for the PSA Dagger S model. Not good. So far, not good. First shots with this. Could be the magazine, dog. Alright, look. So I got the third ball, right? PSA Dagger. As you see, it gave me a stove top. Could be the magazine, because it failed to feed or the slide didn't go forward twice. One side, I don't know, I pretty much just shot, not shot, but I ejected 2 rounds and it was working pretty good. So if you're gonna try that again, I'm gonna aim for the 14 with the PSA Dagger, all right? S model. All right, let's go. All right, y'all. I tried the Glock mag, gave me little problems, but this is an ETS mag. So let me see if it works on the dagger. Oh no. It didn't feed this last round. There's still 2 more rounds ahead, so let me reinsert it and go again. If it's the pistol, the ammo, or the mags. Alright, we're gonna take 3, y'all. PSA dagger. I don't know if it's the magazines, the ammo, or just the gun itself. So this is the first time I'm shooting this gun. Remember, y'all, it was brand used. So I don't know, man. So I loaded up the Glock magazine again. About 15, 14 rounds, whatever it is. I'm a rapid fire. Fits pretty good. Locks in. Chambered. I'm gonna shoot for 15 for the 15 ball. I'm not really gonna aim because I want to do a little rapid fire just to see if it's gonna function or not. But let's go. Yeah, I don't know, y'all. It ain't looking too good for this. Drop the mag. Clear that. Nah, this ain't it. This ain't it. What's up with this dagger? That's stove top number 2. Yo, look at this job.
Guy here one day.
I don't know if you guys can see it. It's pretty much like a fake stove top, stove pipe, stove top, the oven, whatever that is. But look, it's one that got stuck right there for the ejector. But there's a round in the chamber. Look. Round just fell off. Then we have this here. The heck in that bit. Anybody know why that's happening? Leave a comment down below. Alright, y'all, so I have another PSA dagger. This is the Batman build, as you guys already know. So let me shoot for the 5th ball, or the orange ball, alright? We're gonna see how this goes. Ran pretty good. Alright, y'all, going back to the SAR 2000. That thing is a smooth shooter, bro. Aiming for the 1. shooter, bro. All right, y'all. I'm gonna shoot my mechanic. I just want to see how fast I can through it. Since the trigger is known to be good, I want to see how fast I can shoot. Alright, y'all. Let's revisit the I'm just gonna send it, man. This has been giving me problems since I got here. So, rapid fire, that's necessary. Just wanna see. I don't know. I think this doesn't like to be shot slow. Rapid fire gave me no problem. I'm gonna change the mag, clean it, and see where we at. But rapid fire, fine. We're gonna have to revisit this. Let's see. That means step back. All right? We having technical difficulties. Please stand by. Honey, we're home. She need to get lubed up. She acting up. Nah, I don't know what happened there, but yeah, nah, that thing went smooth though. As you see, the first few rounds, he wasn't even hitting the target because the thing was floating in the air somewhere. Alright, y'all, I'm about to load up my SAR 2000. I got like 15, 17 rounds in the magazine. So I'm gonna hit each character, just one shot each. Start from the right, and I'm gonna work my way down, right? I mean, start from the left, my left. Right, then I'm gonna work my way down. I'm gonna start with the top character first. Alright, y'all, so like I told you, I'm gonna hit one by one, right? Starting from the top. That's a hit. Alright, man. So let me load up with like 15 more rounds and continue from here over. One by one, alright? Let's go. That's a hit. I think the last one was here, so we started it here again. That's a little flyer right there. Alright, so. What's up, y'all? Listen, I'm about to get out of here, but I'm about to end the day with this, bro. This is the MCK Ronnie, English, Spanish, macaroni, whatever. Oh, and it has the Glock 17. You already know what this is. Why am I holding it like that? Jeez. Hold it like this. Yeah, this is the long stick, all right? Pause. So I'm gonna try to just let it all go, bro, because I'm out here. I'm tired, I'm late. I gotta go home. No aiming, I'm gonna just run through this thing, man, all right? Let's go. Alright, so you see, took the magazine and all that, right? Right there. Put a little charging handle. Sent it home. Let's go. Rapid fire. 30 rounds. Yeah. I gotta stretch the finger, bro. This finger's gonna be done. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Look at that finger. Alright, y'all. I said we was about to be wrapping up, right? But I lied. Let's do this one, then we wrap up, alright? This is the Glock 23, alright? 40 cal. You gotta watch how you hold these things, man. Alright? Anyway, I ain't gonna spit it all out. Pause. Alright? Vámonos, man. Alright? Let's see if it's got a little kick to it. Yeah, it does. Let's aim for the red spot. That part. What's up, y'all? Listen, man, we out of here, man. It's pretty interesting, man. But the PSA dagger, the S model, I don't know. You know, like I said, I don't know, but with the magazine, I was using 115 grain Fiocchi. Then I changed the Blazer 115. But I think I don't know what it was, bro. I don't know. But I'm gonna have to revisit that. As you seen when I did rapid fire, it ran through. Had a couple stovepipes. I don't know what's wrong with this dagger, bro. It's making me kind of upset here because all my other daggers run smoothly. Maybe because it was brand used? I don't know. But we're about to find out, man. But anyway, man, listen, man, this spot, it's a nice spot. Is in Yaden, I think it is, like past the airport, the Philadelphia airport. Not a bad spot, man. They charge by the hour. I think it's like $25, $30 by the hour, something like that. That's why we was in there going bananas, all right? All I need is an hour. So, anyway, y'all, thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, share this video, turn on the notification bell so you get notified. And the plane looks like it want to just get in my video too. Look, where you at? Yeah. Anyway, y'all, vámonos. Let's go.